Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to remove duplicate favorites from the Microsoft Edge browser, either read through this article on the Windows Club, the link has been shared in the description section, or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Duplicate favorites can be a problem because people keep on saving duplicates of the same page, and it could be removed by clicking on the favorites button and selecting this option here, remove duplicate favorites. Then click on remove for a confirmation. It would start with the process of removing the duplicate favorites and you will not see them in the favorites bar. Isn't this easy? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.